What do you do when your hunger just seems to never disappear, no matter how much you eat? It can be extremely difficult to find a diet that really works for you. In an effort to solve this problem, some people have compared ETRF fasting as the future of fasting. How so? With the help of ETRF, Electrolyte Top Replacement Fluids, people are able to consume enough nutrients and electrolytes while also getting the benefits of a fast. What exactly is ETRF though? ETRF is our future of fasting. It could be useful in everything from weight loss and sports nutrition to life-threatening emergencies, where it's crucial that we maintain our mental acuity and cognitive function while not eating enough calories. By using ETRF, we'll be able to fast while also enjoying the typical benefits of a calorie-restricted diet. How is ETRF stacking up against fasting as we know it? ETRF was developed by Dr. George Goodheart, who is also known for inventing chiropractic methods that have been used by millions of people around the world. He knew all about fasting and its many health benefits, but he wanted to find a way to get some of those benefits, like weight loss, without the need for a person to actually go through any type of fasting whatsoever. ETRF simply replaces the electrolytes and nutrients that we would normally get from eating. It's like a liquid fast, in that it gets rid of our need to eat while providing us with the same benefits of fasting. Most people don't realize how much of an impact certain vitamins and minerals can have on their weight loss efforts. For instance, if you've ever heard of acidosis, then you already know that your body's balance can play a role in your success or failure when it comes to dieting. When your balance is low, this can cause the release of water and other wastes from your cells. Your weight loss efforts might not be as effective if you're dealing with this type of situation. Think about it. If your body's balance is out of whack and you're on a calorie-restricted diet, you'll need to eat less to achieve the same level of weight loss that someone who doesn't have these problems would get. Now think about what an ETRF drink would do for you. With all of your body's crucial electrolytes replaced at the same time, there shouldn't be any issues with your weight loss efforts. There wouldn't be any water retention or excess wastes that need to be released. The effects of ETRF on the body's balance. It's actually incredible how much of an impact our body's levels can have on our weight loss efforts. When we're trying to lose weight, every single thing that we put into our bodies really needs to be at a certain level of balance and acidity alkalinity. If we want to speed up the fat burning process, we'll want to make sure that our bodies are at a healthy level of acidity and alkalinity. The most important thing to remember is that your balance is determined by the foods that you're eating. If you go on a diet of low-acid foods, like some fruits and vegetables, chances are that you'll need to cut back on calories. You'll also probably want to take in more alkaline foods, such as a lot of dark leafy greens. But what if you don't feel like having kale for dinner? What if there's no kale in your area and it's not convenient? That's where ETRFs come into play. ETRFs will provide you with the same benefits of a calorie-restricted diet while still allowing you to eat all of the foods that you want. You'll also get the same results that you would normally get from a calorie-restricted diet. Some people have gone so far as to compare this type of fasting to eating only superfoods, or foods that have had their nutrition improved or altered for various reasons. ETRFs definitely fit this description, given their ability to provide us with the benefits and convenience of eating an extremely healthy diet without actually having to do any fasting at all. How to prepare a modified fast with ETRF. If you're not familiar with Dr. George Goodheart and his work, you may be wondering how to prepare an ETRF drink. After all, it's not exactly like preparing a typical juice or smoothie. Instead, you'll want to mix up some distilled water with some ionic trace minerals and a plant-derived amino acid mixture, like emergencies. Some people add in a dash of ascorbic acid or glutathione for extra antioxidant benefits. This is what makes up an ETRF. The amount of liquid that you'll need is going to depend on the person. As a general guide though, Most people start with about 2 liters of ETRF each day. The typical recommendation is to drink this mixture every 4 hours, just like you would a normal juice or smoothie. You'll want to drink as much as you can because it will help to replace all of the electrolytes and nutrients that you're giving up while fasting. How much weight does ETRF lose? Given how powerful a fast is, you might expect ETRFs to be able to produce some pretty radical weight loss results. After all, the body's processes are all slowed down in order for us to get rid of excess water and toxins. If we could use this advantage for weight loss, then ETRF could produce some dramatic results. As a matter of fact, some people report dropping as much as 15 pounds in a single week. This isn't to say that ETRF is easy to use, though. It's best if you have experience with fasting. If you don't know what the benefits of fasting are, it may be difficult for you to be able to stick with that fast over the long term. You might also want to make sure that you're getting enough calories from other sources so that you don't fall short on the nutrients and minerals that your body needs each day. That's why you need to read more about the benefits of fasting in order to make sure that you're able to use it to your full advantage. Can an ETRF replace a normal diet? The benefits of fasting, such as the weight loss, increase in energy, and improved antioxidant levels are all great to have. But those don't seem like enough reasons to go without food altogether. If we're going to use fasting as a means of weight loss, then we need to be able to replace the calories that we would normally get from eating meals. Nowadays, people can just buy 1-pound containers of protein powder at the supermarket and throw them into their smoothies. That alone makes up a huge portion of our daily calorie count. But how can you do that when you're fasting? With the right preparation, though, you'll be able to get your hands on some ETRF weight loss drinks. Is ETRF fairly safe? Generally speaking, you're probably not going to want to drink an entire pitcher of ETRF each day, unless you're extremely thirsty. There's nothing wrong with having a glass or 2 or 3 as long as your body's balance isn't suffering. We hope you liked everything we provided in this video and you'll start your weight loss journey. If there are any other muscle groups or diet food groups that will be targeted during this specific routine, please leave a comment below. Also, don't forget to let us know if this worked for you and how it affected your body. Thanks for watching this video, and if you want more videos on how to boost your metabolism and lose more weight, make sure you subscribe so you don't miss out on future videos.